Hello guys, welcome to windowsreport.com. In this video we're going to talk about another BSOD error which is called spin lock already owned. This error code appears sometimes when you plug in or use another component to your PC, most likely a hardware component, so the problem could come up from a physical point of view. But in this video I'm going to show you a few things that you should try on your Windows operating system to solve the issue, but the other parts you're going to have to do them yourself. You're going to have to check all your hardware and see if anything is problematic. To be sure that the problem is not coming up from Windows, we're going to have to update Windows firstly, and we're going to do that by pressing the Start button and then go on this icon to go to Settings, and then you're going to have to go to Update and Security, and here in the Windows Update tab, Windows will automatically check for updates, download them and install them for you. Also, for diagnosing purposes and hopefully for solving the problem, we're going to run the SFC scanner. To do that, we're going to click the search button and then type in here CMD, and then right click on command prompt and run as administrator. To run the SFC scanner, you're going to have to type in here SFC /scan now, and then press enter and the scan will start. So what is this scan doing? It will automatically check for problematic system files and hopefully solve the problem that causes this BSOD error. So this was the video guys. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell activated so you won't miss any future uploads. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below with problems that you have on your Windows operating system and we can try to solve your issue in the next video. Until next time, have a nice day.